Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress.
English speaking conversations. Hi, Ollie. I'm new here. I feel a bit lost. Can you help me with something? Of course. How can I help you today? Well, first, I don't know how to use the printer. Can you show me how it works? No problem. This is the print button. You press this, select your document on the computer, and hit print. Oh, that seems simple. I was so worried I'd break it. Don't worry. Everyone has trouble on their first day. What else do you need help with? I also want to make sure I follow the company rules. Are there any important things I should know? Yes, there are a few. Firstly, we don't eat at our desks. And always keep your phone on silent during meetings. I got it. No eating at the desk, phone on silent.
Thanks for watching.